Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda CBR600RR luxurious showroom walk around. The Honda CBR600RR is not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of precision engineering, aerodynamic excellence, and a deep-rooted racing heritage. Every curve, every bolt, and every rev of its engine speaks the language of speed and control. Born from Honda's relentless pursuit of perfection, the CBR600RR has carved its name into the annals of superbike history, a testament to what happens when passion meets performance. Its story begins on the racetrack, inspired by the machines that dominated MotoGP circuits worldwide. Honda's engineers didn't just design a bike, they crafted an experience. The 599cc liquid-cooled, inline four-cylinder engine is a masterpiece, delivering a surge of power that's both exhilarating and smooth. It's not just about raw speed, it's about how that speed feels under your command. Twist the throttle, and the CBR600RR responds with a roar, a reminder that you're in control of something extraordinary. The chassis is a marvel of lightweight design, providing agility that makes cornering feel effortless. The bike hugs the road, responding to the slightest shift in your body, as if it's an extension of your will. The Showa big piston fork and Unit Pro Link rear suspension ensure that every ride is smooth, whether you're carving through mountain roads or dominating a racetrack. But it's not just the mechanics that make the CBR600RR special. The aerodynamics are inspired by Honda's MotoGP bikes, with sleek lines that cut through the air, reducing drag and increasing stability at high speeds. The fairings aren't just for show, they channel airflow to cool the engine and enhance performance. Riding the CBR600RR is an experience that engages all your senses. The sound of the engine, the feel of the wind, the way the bike responds to every input, it's pure, unfiltered connection with the road. The seating position is aggressive yet comfortable, designed for control without sacrificing long ride comfort. The ergonomics are perfect for both spirited rides and daily commutes, proving that performance doesn't have to come at the cost of practicality. Technology plays a big role in the CBR600RR's appeal. The advanced electronic fuel injection system ensures precise throttle response, while the dual-stage ram air system optimizes performance at high speeds. The digital LCD display provides all the information you need at a glance, from speed and RPM to fuel consumption and lap times. Safety is paramount, with Honda's combined anti-lock braking system offering confidence-inspiring stopping power. The brakes are sharp and responsive, with radial-mounted calipers that provide exceptional feel and control. Whether you're navigating city streets or pushing the limits on a track, you can trust the CBR600RR to respond when you need it most. The design is a blend of aggression and elegance, with sharp angles and bold graphics that command attention. The LED headlights add a modern touch, improving visibility while giving the bike a distinctive look. Every detail, from the sculpted fuel tank to the under-seat exhaust, is crafted with precision and purpose. The CBR600RR isn't just for seasoned riders, it's also a perfect stepping stone for those looking to transition from smaller bikes to the world of supersports. Its approachable power delivery and balanced handling make it a bike that's easy to ride fast, yet forgiving enough for those still honing their skills. The connection between rider and machine is what sets the CBR600RR apart. It's a bike that communicates with you, responding to your inputs with precision and clarity. Every ride feels like a conversation, a dialogue between man and machine that deepens with every mile. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to Honda's reputation for reliability and quality. The engine is robust, designed to withstand the rigors of aggressive riding without missing a beat. Regular servicing is simple, with accessible components and a wealth of resources available to keep your bike in top condition. The aftermarket support for the CBR600RR is extensive, with countless options for customization. Whether you're looking to improve performance, enhance comfort, or simply make the bike your own, there's a vast array of parts and accessories to choose from. From exhaust systems to suspension upgrades, the possibilities are endless. Fuel efficiency is impressive for a bike in this class, making it practical for daily use without sacrificing the thrills of a high-performance machine. The fuel tank provides ample range, allowing you to enjoy long rides without constant stops. The smooth power delivery also means the bike is manageable in traffic, with a clutch that's light and easy to modulate. Community is a big part of the CBR600RR experience. Owners often form tight-knit groups, sharing tips, experiences, and a mutual passion for riding. Whether it's track days, group rides, or online forums, being part of the CBR family means connecting with like-minded enthusiasts who understand the joy of riding. The legacy of the CBR600RR is built on countless victories and accolades in the world of motorsports. It's a bike that's proven itself on the world stage, earning respect from racers and riders alike. But it's not just about trophies, it's about the feeling you get every time you twist the throttle, lean into a corner, and realize you're riding a machine that was born to perform. The sound of the CBR600RR is unmistakable, a high-pitched, aggressive growl that builds to a spine-tingling scream as the revs climb. It's a sound that stirs the soul, a reminder of the bike's racing pedigree and the engineering excellence that went into its creation. Every gear change, every burst of acceleration, adds to the symphony of speed. The handling is razor-sharp, with feedback that inspires confidence. Whether you're a seasoned track rider or a weekend warrior, the CBR600RR offers a level of control that allows you to push your limits safely. The suspension is fully adjustable, letting you fine-tune the ride to suit your style and conditions. In wet conditions, the bike remains composed, with the ABS providing an extra layer of security. The tires offer excellent grip, even when the road is less than perfect. The balance between power and control is what makes the CBR600RR such a versatile machine, equally at home on city streets, winding roads, or the racetrack. The engine's mid-range torque makes it responsive in real-world riding scenarios, while the top-end power delivers the thrills that sport bike enthusiasts crave. The gearbox is slick and precise, encouraging you to explore the bike's full potential with every shift. The CBR600RR isn't just about speed, it's about the complete riding experience. The way the bike feels as you lean into a corner, the rush of acceleration as you exit, and the satisfaction of mastering a challenging road or track section, these are the moments that define the CBR600RR experience. The design reflects Honda's attention to detail, with aerodynamic elements that aren't just for show. The windscreen reduces buffeting at high speeds, while the fairings channel air efficiently to improve stability. Even the mirrors are designed with aerodynamics in mind, minimizing drag while providing excellent visibility. The seat is designed for comfort without compromising control, with just the right amount of padding to support long rides. The footpegs are positioned for optimal rider ergonomics, allowing for aggressive riding positions without causing discomfort. The handlebars offer a natural grip, reducing fatigue during extended sessions. The lighting system is both functional and stylish, with bright LEDs that enhance visibility in all conditions. The rear lights are integrated seamlessly into the design, maintaining the bike's sleek profile. The indicators are compact yet highly visible, adding to the overall aesthetic without compromising safety. Riding the CBR600RR is about freedom, the freedom to explore, to push boundaries, and to experience the world in a way that only a motorcycle can offer. It's about the connection between rider and machine, the sense of adventure that comes with every ride, and the thrill of knowing that you're in control of a bike that's designed to perform at the highest level. The Honda CBR600RR isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement of passion, performance, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's a bike that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. From the racetrack to the open road, the CBR600RR delivers an experience that's as unforgettable as it is exhilarating. For those who crave the ultimate riding experience, the CBR600RR is more than a choice, it's a calling. A calling to those who seek adventure, who live for the rush of speed, and who understand that riding isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life. The Honda CBR600RR is more than just a machine, it's a legend. A legend that continues to inspire, to thrill, and to redefine what's possible on two wheels. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.